Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have a new quick and easy face painting tutorial with Simone, and for today she is creating this fox face paint for us. We are starting out with the orangey color of our fox, and the color that Simone has chosen to create this with is a color by LM Vught. It is called Foxy and it is kind of a dark orangey color. And with this Simone is painting the forehead except for the end of the eyebrow, which will be white in a bit to create the fox ears, but also the eyelids and just under the eye to create that basic shape that our fox needs. Once that is on there, here is a white face paint. This white is by Diamond Effects, and as you can see, Simone is creating the inside of the fox's ear with this white, but not only the inside of the ears but also a bit under the eye. So this white doesn't really have to be perfect, because once the basic layer is on there, Simone switches to a brush to really get that fur effect going for her under the eye. And just by putting little stripes in white on the already white painted skin with the sponge, you can see you get a lovely fur effect. Time for those fox eyes, and Simone is putting these on the skin with black. This is the Essential Black by Diamond Effects. And as you can see, just by outlining the eyes, you get a real feminine fox look to this design. Once the eyes are both outlined, we continue to a very subtle outline to the ears. So basically you want to put 3 stripes there to really define the ears. And a tiny bit of fur between those ears. These are basically just little stripes. Of course, we do need a black nose. And with a bit of lipstick, which is created with the same Foxy by LM Vught, our fox face paint for today is done. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos.